Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving a review of the Vidpro XM-55 Xlr microphone. When I bought this, I couldn't find in the description anywhere whether or not it ran on phantom power. It does run on phantom power, or it runs on a battery, but it didn't say in the description, so I kind of gambled on it. I'm going to open the box and show you what comes in it. Now, full disclosure, when I bought this, I bought this probably 2 years ago. I took it all out of the box, and it took me about 20 minutes to get it back in the box so that I could show you what's in the box. So, the box is all foam lined here, and it includes a dead cat, a foam cover, an XLR microphone with an audio jack so you could plug it into your DSLR. It has a short XLR cable so you can use it for a video camera. It has the microphone itself and this shock mount. Now, with these little rubber bands, has the extra rubber bands, and then if you screw it open here, it has a one AAA battery, or AA. One AA battery will fit in there. Or, yeah, you can run it on phantom. Now, this is the on and off switch. If you run it on phantom power, it doesn't matter where you have the switch, it still works. Comes with a battery. Comes with this mount here, which I would say is a horrible mount, because with this mount it doesn't really keep any of the noise away like the shock mount does, and so you can use this mount, but if there's any movement at all, you'll hear it. Comes with a handle, an attachment to put it on the hot shoe of your camera. Yeah, it comes with a audio jack adapter and a pack of candy. No, I'm just joking. Don't eat this. Now, real quick, the way they've got this cord in here real tight, that is kind of ridiculous, because when you pull the cord out rolled up like this, it's going to get bird's nest. So once you get it out of this case, you will almost certainly never use it again. I've actually never used the case. I just took it out and just kept the case for some reason. Thought I might use it for something else. But you really should roll your cables up in big, nice loops like this. It keeps them from getting all kinked up, and it's easier to unroll them, easier to use them. So, and then real quick, it has nothing to do with this review really, but these little Velcro strips, I would buy them in packs of 100. I would suggest getting some of these. They're not that expensive. It keeps all your cords from getting tangled up, and then yeah, that's just the better. Okay, back to the microphone. So I use this sometimes when I'm doing videos. Obviously, I don't have it on right now. In a minute, I'm going to try to hook it up to the camera so that you can hear what it sounds like. But before that, it's a pretty decent sounding microphone. if there's a lot of noise, other noise, it'll probably pick it up. It's fairly sensitive. I haven't used it much outside, so I don't know how well the the dead cat works, because I mostly just use it inside and when I'm doing something like this. And I don't use it really much, just plugged in with a battery and then plugged into the camera. If I'm going to use this one, I'll usually use this with an audio interface. Or with an external audio recorder like the Tascam, because I think you get better quality audio that way anyway, and both of these have phantom power. But yeah, I've used this microphone on a few videos. It's not the greatest microphone in the world, but it's less than $100, so it's pretty good for what you pay, and it is leaps and bounds above the built-in microphone on the camera, on any camera. Now I'm using a lav microphone, so you're not hearing the camera audio either. This is the lav, a wireless microphone I'm using. But yeah, for now I'm going to go on and I'm going to pause this here, then I'm going to hook this one up so you can see what it sounds like. Okay, so when you press the power button, this little green light comes on to show you that it's on. That light will come on as soon as you hook it up to an XLR source as well. Now, if you're going to use it for XLR, you need to take the battery out or make sure the power switch stays off. But I'd say just take the battery off if you can use it for XLR. Now, as far as this microphone goes, it's a decent sound, but it's not going to be your forever microphone. But if you're just looking for an upgrade to your on-camera microphone, looking for something that you can use as a first source location, this is a pretty good microphone. It's not a microphone that I would recommend for like a podcast or something. I did a review of the Rode NT1, which is what I use for podcast, but this is pretty good for videos if you want to put it on a boom and hold it above your actor or something like that, low budget movies, YouTube videos, things like that. It's a pretty good microphone. But you can hear how it sounds here. This is being recorded directly from the microphone into my camera. It does sound a little better if you use it with XLR and record it into an audio interface or through an external audio recorder like the Tascam, but you get decent results just recording it directly into the camera. So anyhow, hopefully you found this useful if you're considering this microphone, or even if not. I try to put regular videos up on a consistent basis, and I also have a podcast. It's called Recovering Faith. Anyway, put new videos up all the time, so subscribe so you'll get notifications when I post a new one, and don't forget to hit that like button. See you next time.